I'm happy to announce that we have launched our abandoned cart feature. I'm going to show you right now how to activate it and how to make it work. Number one, you're going to go to your store, settings, general. If you scroll down to the bottom here, you're going to see this option of mark orders as abandoned if inactive for how many minutes. So really, I want to do like 1 hour, and then that'll automatically save. So this kind of just says, okay, but if a user starts checking out on your website, how much time needs to go by before that order is abandoned? So your second step is going to be to go over to emails and automations. Go to your automations, and you can either add this to a current automation that you have, or you can create a new automation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create an automation. We have this new step here. So you can either choose to do a blank automation or abandoned cart automation. This option here, it's going to have a predefined template that's fully customizable that you can work off of if that is something that you want to do, or you can start with a blank automation. I'm going to click on this one just so you can see what it looks like. And then you can name this. And so now it's going to open up this automation with predetermined emails and triggers and delays. If you put that setting of how much time goes before it's the abandoned cart, like for example, I put mine as 1 hour, then this is going to send immediately after that 1 hour. So it just marks their abandoned cart. It goes immediately after 1 hour. Then it's going to delay 1 day, sends an email, delay 2 days, send an email, delay 1 day. And then you can put this into another automation sequence or do whatever it is that you want. So if I click here on edit your automation triggers, you can see that this now has the option of abandoned cart or checkout. And so you can go ahead and add this in any automation that you have. It's very similar to, like added to a list, tag is added, so on and so forth. So you can just go ahead and click on that. And then let me go inside the email and show you a new widget that we have inside of there. So we now have this new widget that's down here in blocks, and you can again drag this into any automation that you want. And this essentially is going to pull a list of products that were in their cart that they abandoned. So if you have multiple funnels, or if you have a store checkout process or add to cart checkout process, and this is going to pull all the products that they left inside of that cart. If you only have like one course or one product that you're really selling and pushing, then this is just going to show that one, which is still fine, still looks cool, still works. And then if they go over here to complete your order, it's going to go to store checkout. The last part that I do want to explain as well is that under store, if you go to orders, you're also going to see abandoned orders. I don't have any data yet, so it's not going to show. However, it's going to show exactly like these other orders. And you can click inside of them. You can see what it was in their cart that they abandoned, what their email is, what their name is, and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. Super simple, super helpful. If you need any help implementing this, if you have any questions, please chat in with us. We're happy to answer any questions, and I hope you have some fun using this abandoned cart checkout because I know I am very excited.